Hello, students. Are you ready for our first class?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, mister.
Yes.
Okay, class. So today our first class will be Arabic. We are going to start with the Arabic alphabets. We will start with the first letters.
Ooh, that sounds nice.
Oh, mister, it's a hard language. No.
That sounds amazing.
Oh, music for you, not for me.
Alright, now for the first letter in the Arabic language is Alif. Alif. Repeat after me.
Alif, Alif,
Anif, Anif,
Alif. Anif.
Alright, that was the first letter, Alif, Alif. Now for the second letter. The second letter is Ba, Ba.
Oh, mister, can you please give us examples of the letter Alif before we move to the next letter, please?
Oh yeah, sure I will. Alright. The first example will be Asadun, Asadun, which means lion. Asadun.
Asadun, Asadun,
Asadun, Asadun,
Asadon. Asadon.
Perfect class. Now for the second letter. Ba, Ba.
Be, Be,
Be, Be,
Bat. Bat.
Alright class. Now for the example. We have Babon, Babon, which means door. Babon.
Bebon, Bebon,
Bebon, Bebon,
Bebon. Bebon.
That's perfect. Now for the third letter. Te, Te.
Te, Te,
Te, Te,
Dip. Dip.
Alright class. Now for the example. The example will be تلفازون, تلفازون, which means TV. تلفازون.
Oh, mister, it's close to TV, Telfaz, TV. It's very close.
Yes, Amir, yes, it's close. Now you start to like the language, huh? Right?
Yes, mister, yes.
تلفازون, تلفازون,
Telefazon, Telefazon,
Tilifarzon. Tilifarzon.
That's good. Now for the fourth letter. Th, Th.
Se, Se,
Sit, Sit,
Set. Set.
That's good class. Now for the example. The example will be ثعلب, ثعلب, which means fox. ثعلب.
ثعلب, ثعلب,
Salabun, Salabun,
Salabon. Salabon.
No, Fatima, it's not ثعلب, ثعلب, it's ثعلب, ثعلب.
All right, mister, I try again. Salabon. Salabon.
Yes, Fatima, that's much better, mashallah. Very good. Alright, the next letter is Jim, Jim.
Oh, mister, it's very close to our gym.
That's right, yes, Amir, it is. Nice one.
جيم, جيم,
Jim, Jim,
That's good. Now for the example. The example will be جبل, جبل, which means mountain. جبل.
جبل, جبل,
Jabalon, Jabalon,
That's good. Now for the next letter. Ha, ha.
حاء, حاء,
Ha, Ha,
Excellent. Now for the example. The example will be حرف, حرف, which means letter. حرف.
حرف, حرف,
Harfun, Harfun,
Excellent. Now for the next letter. The next letter will be خاء, خاء.
خاء, خاء,
Ha, Ha,
Excellent. Now for the example. The example will be خشب, خشب, which mean wood. خشب.
خشب خشب
خشب. خشب.
Excellent. Now for the next letter. The next letter will be دال, دال.
Oh, mister, it's like the technology company, Dell.
Yes, Amir, that's right. It is actually the same.
دل دل
Dell. Dell.
Oh, excellent. Now for the example. The example will be درس, درس, which mean lesson. درس.
درس درس
Derson. Derson.
Excellent class. The next letter will be ذل, ذل.
ذل ذل
Zell. Zell.
Excellent. Now the example will be ذكي, ذكي, which means smart. ذكي.
Oh, mister, I'm smart, haha.
No, you are not. I'm smarter.
Oh, it's okay. You both smart. MashaAllah, I know.
Thanks, mister.
Now for the next letter. The next letter is راء, راء.
را را
Ra. Ra.
That's good. Now for the example. The example will be رياضة, رياضة, which mean sport. رياضة.
Yes, I like football. So it's my favorite, Riyadh, right?
Yes, Amir, yes. Now say the example.
رياضة رياضة
Riyadhatun. Riyadhatun.
Excellent. Now for the next letter. The next letter is زي, زي.
زي زي
Zay. Zay.
That's good. Now for the example. The example will be زهرة, زهرة, which mean flower. زهرة.
Yes, I like flowers. زهرة زهرة
Zahratun. Zahratun.
That's perfect. Excellent class. Okay, class, that's the end of our first lesson. See you in the next lesson.
Yes, mister. Goodbye. I really have fun today. Thank you very much.
Yes, mister.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe for more. And check the other videos. Thank you. Bye bye.